What's up guys, this is a quick video about outdoor versus indoor units. So this is an outdoor facility. As you can see, there's no indoor units here. Here's the thing, is there's not much difference other than the fact that a lot of the indoor units are climate controlled. And also, one thing you gotta take in consideration with outdoor units, guys, is a lot of businesses will use outdoor units because they can drive their trucks, unload and load directly outdoors as opposed to going up elevators or stairs for climate control. So take that in consideration when you're buying outdoor units, as you may be buying a business. Also keep in mind the weather, okay? The weather, rodents, different things happen more with outdoor units than indoor units because they just have easier access, right? So cobwebs, spiders, mildew, water damage, rodents like rats and mice. There's all kinds of stuff that happens more with outdoor units than indoor units. Also, there's a misconception out there, I think. People think indoor units cost more. Mostly outdoor units cost more, in my opinion, because they're drive up. People pay more to be able to drive up and unload than they would if they had to go upstairs in elevators. So just keep that stuff in mind, right? That's just my opinion. So when you're looking at units and they're outdoor units, like this one here, you need to look at like the cobwebs and different things and make sure when you're going to the live auctions, as you can see, you just never know. Like there could be water damage seeping through there. And when you buy the merchandise, you want to just keep that in mind when you're bidding on the units. Look at the elements, right? Make sure that there's no major issues on the walls or ceilings, so that way you know the stuff is not damaged when you buy it, okay? All this factors into your price, the price that you pay for these storage units. So outdoor units typically do cost more because they're drive up, they're businesses that use them. I love buying outdoor units. And then you've got indoor units that are climate controlled. A lot of people like those because they're climate controlled and they know that they're not going to get a ton of outdoor elements inside their storage unit, inside their stuff. So they're okay with using elevators and stairs. All right, that was outdoor versus indoor. I know this is kind of a very basic video, but I just want to make sure that I jog your guys' brain here and so you understand kind of the concepts and different things when you're buying storage units. All right.